This is a proven 3-step method to repair a relationship when you have effed up, when you have made a mistake that has hurt somebody else. And this 3-step process works because I use it a lot, because sometimes I mess up a lot, and I want you to know how it works. But the first thing that you need to know about this 3-step process is that you have to take your ego out of it. Your need to be right, your need to justify, your need to explain has to go out the window, because this is about a person coming to you with their experience of you, and your job is to listen to it, not to defend. So it goes with these 3 things. Number 1, validation. Number 2, empathy. Number 3, change behavior. And this is how I do it. Somebody will come to me and say, you know, Patty, the way you spoke to me, it was really hurtful. You know, in that time when we were together, and I'll sit back, I'm like, I'm sorry I hurt you. That's the only thing you need to say. I'm sorry I hurt you. Just by saying that, it takes the wind out of the sail. It takes the resistance out. And that person feels heard by you because you said, I'm sorry I hurt you, because that's really what happened. You hurt them. Now, you are not responsible for managing their feelings, but for me, if somebody comes to me and I have really hurt them, it's a possibility that I was being some kind of snarky thing, and I just really need to own up to it. So, validation. The second thing is empathy. Empathy is when you put yourself in that person's shoe and you try to see that experience from their perspective, not yours. Oh, I didn't mean to hurt you. Well, it's not about you. So if I could put myself in that position when somebody said something to me and I said something to them that was really hurtful, I would say to them, you know, it must have felt really intimidating, and you must have felt so hurt that I would say such a mean thing to you. I'm sorry I hurt you. And you're really accepting responsibility for your behavior. Then the third thing to do is by doing a change behavior. By validating and empathizing the person who's come to you with a problem, your promise and responsibility is to change your behavior, because an apology means nothing if you don't change your behavior. So my whole story would be this. Oh, I'm so sorry I hurt you. I can imagine how it must have felt when I said that to you. You must have felt intimidated. You must have felt hurt. And I don't want to be that person. And you know what I'm going to do? I am going to make sure I am more conscious about the things that I say. I want them to be more loving, not more sarcastic. So please accept my apology. I am so sorry I hurt you. And then maintain that change behavior, not for them alone, but for yourself, because you become more loving and more conscious of your behavior. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share this with somebody, because you know somebody could use it. I love you.